Today you are going to learn one problem of exponents and powers chapter, the standard form. So let us have this question. Light travels at a speed of 1.86 into 10 to the power 5 miles per second. A light year is the distance the light travels in 1 year. Determine the number of miles in a light year. Answer in scientific notation. Whether the question is given answer in scientific notation or not, always you have to answer in scientific notation. You see, the speed of light in 1 second is given in scientific notation or not. So we have to show the answer in scientific notation. Not very tough, but these calculations are more. Little more calculations, multiplications are there. What is given is light travels at a speed of this much miles per second. The meaning of that is speed of light per second or 1 second. Light travels at speed these many miles per second equal to 1.86 into 10 to the power 5 miles. What is given? I have written the statement format. A light year is the distance the light travels in 1 year. That you know, light year means the whatever distance the light travels in 1 year is known as the light year. So 1 year means how many seconds? Let us find out. Because speed of light per 1 second is given to us. So in 1 year how many seconds are there? We know that 1 year equal to 365 days. 1 day is 24 hours. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 1 year means these many seconds. So the light travels these many seconds. This, if you multiply this many seconds, how much? That is the light year. So you have to find out the number of miles. This is miles in a light year. That you have to find out. In one light year, how many miles are there? You have to find out. So 1 year equal to these many seconds. Speed of light or light travels in 1 second this much miles. Light travels in these many seconds means this into this. So all these you have to multiply and you have to show the answer in scientific notation. Okay. So light travels, number of miles in a light year we have to find out. Okay. Speed of light in 1 year. Speed of light per second is this. Speed of light 1 year means this into this. 1.86 into 10 to the power 5 into 365 into 24 into 60 into 60 miles. So in 1 year light travels these many miles. Determine the number of miles in a light year or number of miles in a light year is these many miles. Only our question is we have to multiply all these. Let me keep 1.86, 10 to the power 5, here 1 0, here 1 0. Okay. So let us multiply first 365 into 24. Let me multiply this side. 365 into 24. Okay. 4 5 is 20, 0 2 carrying. 4 6 is 24 to 26 2. 4 3 is 12 to 14. 2 5 is 10 0 1 carrying. 2 6 is 12 1. 13 1. 2 3 is 6 1 7. 0 6 7 8. 8 7 6 0. Slowly let me write. 1.86 I have written. When I multiplied 365 and 24 I got 8760. Okay. 6 into 6, 36. 2 zeros are there. 10 into 10, here 10 into 10 to the power 7. Only for better understanding, slowly I am doing. Am I right or not? Okay. Now, let us multiply 8760 into 36. Again this 0 see towards the right hand. So we can multiply 876 into 36 and this towards the right hand 0 is a 10 to the power 8 it can be. So let me multiply 876 into 36. 6 6 are 36, 6 3 carrying. 6 7 are 42, 3, 45 4. 6 8 are 48, 4, 52. 3 6 are 18, 8 1 carrying. 3 7 are 21, 1 22, 2. 3 8 are 24, 2, 26. 6 5 8 13, 3 1 carrying. 1 2 3 2 5. 5 6 11 3. 3 1 5 3 6. 3 1 5 3 6. Again, just you see step by step I am doing. Again this 0 will take, and here we are getting 3 1 5 3 6 into this 0 is there, so 10 to the power 8 miles. Any problem? Everything you can multiply and write, but for your better understanding I am explaining. Now let us multiply these two. Okay, 31536, 31536 into 1.86. Point is there. 6 6 are 36, 3 carrying. 6 3 are 18, 3 21, 2 carrying. 6 5 are 30 plus 2 32, 3 carrying. 6 1 are 6 plus 3 9, 6 3 are 18. I hope calculation doing correct. 8 6 are 48, 4 carrying. 8 3 are 24, 4 28, 2. 8 5 are 42, 42 4. 8 1 are 8 4 12 2 1. 8 3 are 24, 1 25. Now 1 is 6, 3, 5, 1, 3. If we add up, we are getting 5865696, and after 2 places decimal, let me write here first. Okay, so when we multiply these two, we are getting 58656.96 into 10 to the power 8 miles. I hope calculation is correct. Multiplication is correct. But we have to show the answer in scientific notation. That means the decimal is to be here. This decimal has to bring, we have to bring here 1, 2, 3, 4 places. It will be 5.865696. 4 places from right to left it has come. So into 10 to the power 4, this equal to this into 10 to the power 8 miles already there. That means 5.865696 into 10 to the power 4 plus 8, 12 miles. That is what the question. The number of miles in a light year is this. Therefore, in a light year, the number of miles in a light year is equal to this much miles. Okay, and already answer is given. You have to show the answer in scientific notation. If it is not given also, you have to show in scientific notation always. You see the question how it is given. I hope this is good. Children, complicated problem. I hope it is complicated, but calculation, multiplications and all, how I have done stepwise multiplication, you see. If you do like that, it will be easy. Okay, please go through and solve the sum. Thank you.